Good morning, everybody. I cannot believe that Christmas is like next week. In one of my previous vlogs this week, I told you that I was hiring a cleaning service to come, but actually who I hired were the Handy Pros. All you do is go to handy.com or the Handy app on your phone. You pick what type of place you would like to have cleaned. So for example, I chose my house. You say how many bedrooms you have, the things you're mainly focused on, and then you can actually pick your pro yourself. They have reviews, they all have background checks, which you can find more at handy.com, and they are just super easy to use. You can also share your cleaning priorities, which make it nice. So for example, like one thing that I really like to focus on if I'm going to hire somebody to clean is like my bathrooms and windows, since I have little kids with lots of sticky fingers, things like that. So you can choose the things that are your priorities. If you loved your cleaner, you can add them to your pro team for next time too, which is really nice. Another thing that I really loved about Handy was that you can do everything straight from the app or website, including payment, which makes it just super easy to do, and you can do it anywhere. You don't have to worry about cash or checks or anything like that. Handy has done over 3 million cleanings, and what's even better is that all of their cleanings are booked by the Handy Happiness Guarantee. So if you're not happy, they will make sure that they can make you happy. And as far as pricing goes, you can see how much you're going to pay up front. Like, you're not going to be surprised at a bill or anything. You pay right up front. You can pay, like I said, from the app, and you know what you're going to pay, which is also nice, so you don't have to worry about that. It was so easy to book my cleaning, and the woman who cleaned my house did an amazing job, and I would definitely recommend her and use her again. It was really nice to have my house cleaned, and I'm now probably just going to have to do like little touch-ups until Christmas gets here, because you know I'm hosting Christmas. So that's nice to have like an initial big clean done and be able to just catch up. But what's even more amazing is that I have a promo code for you. All you have to do is go to www.handy.com/Beastons and use promo code Beaston. So again, that is www.handy.com/Beaston. Promo code Beaston. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. But what that gets you is your first 3-hour cleaning for $39 when you sign up for a plan, which is amazing. Recurring charge terms and conditions apply. Visit handy.com to learn more. Here is just how my bedroom looked after they cleaned it. They did an amazing job. And then before and after photos of things that I was really looking forward to having cleaned. Who's excited for the Christmas party?
Me.
You don't sound excited. Hey guys, so as you know, first of all, I just got done dropping Carter off at school. First things first. He's at school. He has his Christmas party today. He's super excited. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so last night, Tanner literally didn't sleep at all. Nothing. Did not sleep. He wanted Chris, which worked out in my favor because I got to sleep a little bit. Ella still nursed a lot though. But he literally went to bed at 6 a.m. and woke up at 8 a.m. It is 9:16 right now when I'm doing this. And he's acting fine. I was scared. Chris was scared because he read that concussions can mess up your cycle and kind of make you have jolts of energy and then sleep. So we did make him a doctor's appointment for today. Later on in the day, because Chris said he's acting completely normal, and I agree, like he's just playing, being his normal Tanner self. And I know that it could be coincidental because Carter used to do this when he was around this age as well. So we're just going to monitor it and then bring him into the doctors at 4 o'clock if we are concerned. They said that was fine. They also have hair appointments today. We have just a very busy day. Chris obviously got coverage at work because he did not sleep. He's going to be so cranky today. I told him to let me discipline the kids today because I know his patience isn't going to be very good, because I wouldn't be very good. I mean, I haven't slept in 3 years, but I get like little bits of sleep. He literally had Chris awake, and every time Chris would like lay his head down, he would like shake him to wake him up. So yes, I am actually running into Giant grocery store again. You know, I was here yesterday. You know, I also had a pea pod delivery, but one of my subscribers commented on my grocery haul and said that the Italian seasoning that I got from my one crock pot recipe was not gluten-free. And I didn't, like, I just assumed it would be gluten-free because it's just spices. Well, she was right. I looked on it, on the spice packet, and it said wheat. So now I'm running in to try and find Italian seasoning packet that is gluten-free because I really want to make my crock pot recipes today that I've been trying to make to finish off that video. And plus, it just sounds like a delicious meal that I found on Pinterest. So, yep, that's where we're at right now. Let's see where this day takes us. And, you know, I'm looking at the bright side. My gut feeling is that Tanner is okay. Carter's so happy at his Christmas party, and my house is clean, so I'm a happy person. God is good, and I'm thankful for life in general. And yes, my car still looks like this. This is what I got. Also, Peapod does not ever have this for some reason, which I don't understand because it's from the same store. So we always get this. I found this, which was like exciting to me because I love avocado spread. I love avocado on toast, I should say. And then they had a jalapeno flavor. They also had a basil flavor that I love basil. So I'm going to try this one first and see how I like it. And then this is a staple. Chris and I like to eat entire cartons of Oreos when the kids go to sleep. And then all the Italian seasoning packets had gluten. So this was the only thing I could find. Should probably make sure it doesn't have gluten in it. Yeah, no gluten in this, so I'm going to try to put this in place of the Italian seasoning packet and see how that ends up. An update on Tan Man, drinking from a glass cup.
Acting like he wasn't up all night long.
Is that good?
Yeah, really good, Daddy.
Yeah.
Really?
What are you drinking?
Yeah.
Can you say chocolate almond milk? This is the first time he's ever tried it, and apparently he likes it. He hates regular milk, so I'm excited.
I like your mustache.
I'm happy that you're feeling okay. You're very talkative today. Bro went to school. He's at school. You miss him? Do you miss your bro? Cream cheese chocolate face?
Did you miss Carter?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want him to come home and play with you?
No.
No?
It's just
Yeah, right. Every time he comes home from school, they hug so hard for like 5 minutes.
No more boo-boos, though.
No more boo-boos.
Yeah. Go. This is.
And then we got this little princess trying to stay awake over here. This baby girl. So we got Carter from school, and then we just went to Chris's work because although he took off today from not sleeping at all last night, poor guy, he should be sleeping right now, but
At the wheel?
no, trying to force a car nap on the kids. We went to his work to do payroll. Did I say that already? I really don't remember. I'm really delirious too. But yeah, now we're trying to find a Starbucks and get some life back.
Mommy,
Say kids have haircuts at 2 o'clock?
Yeah?
Mommy, Daddy.
Yes, honey?
Don't have one boogie.
He has a lot of boogies?
Yeah.
I just blew his nose. Hopefully they are not getting sick. We gotta load them up with vitamins and rest. I'm sure no sleep isn't helping any of us.
No.
We are home from haircuts. Boys at the door. Carter's going through all of his stuff that he got from school, and he's a little bit excited, I'd say. They're eating Uncrustables. What'd you get, Carter? What is that?
What are we doing?
Scooby-Doo candy pet dispenser. Oh, pretty wreath. Got another beautiful ornament. for the Christmas tree.
Can you burp Ella for me? Thank you. You're so nice burping her. You want to burp her too? Oh, good job.
Hi. Hi.
I'm pretty much just cramming everything I can into the days when Chris is with me and I have help. And here goes Ella's first Christmas ball. Let's see how this goes. Wow, you dancing?
I want to see right here.
Okay. We are living today. I'm getting my car washed. I'm really trying to get it all done before the holidays, aren't we?
Take me up here.
Please.
Please.
You want to go up too? It's Ella's first time at the car wash. And then the best scent of all, what scent do you have in your car? Carter and I are making a snowflake wreath and we're gonna put snowmen on it. I put the glue down and then he's putting the big snowflakes on it, right? I see another glue.
I'm putting it here.
Whatever you want, baby. You be creative. All right, ready for more glue? Chris is upstairs giving the kids a bath. I'm cleaning up the kitchen, and while I'm by myself, I wanted to just mention that today is the anniversary of my brother Kevin's death. He was my mom's first child. I never got to meet him. We always knew of him, and we've always loved him so much. Like, I love him just as much as I love my other siblings. Like, it's not like I never got to meet him, so I don't like have that closeness with him, but I do feel very close to him. But he was, today's the anniversary of his death. He was hit by a car when he was 4 years old in front of my grandmother's house. It was like a very tragic freak accident, and I feel like today I just kind of been like really numb because I barely slept last night and just like been like keeping myself so busy today. But now as the day is like slowing down and coming to an end, you know, of course I'm getting sad, but I'm really trying to rework my brain. Chris actually taught me this because we went to a funeral this week, as you know, but I get so anxious about death and things like that, and I just like to like not even deal with it, I guess. And Chris said to me, you know, this is a celebration of people's lives. Like, it's not to be sad, it's to celebrate them. So like today I'm kind of just like celebrating the fact that he was here for 4 short years, and you know, I'm sad I never got to meet him. I know I'll meet him one day, but it gets harder the closer that my kids get to that age. Carter will be 4 next year, so of course like I always like think of that kind of stuff. I don't want to get too sappy because I know my mom watches my videos and I don't want to get her upset, but you know, rest in peace Kevin Jr. I love you. I also wanted to mention that my sister and we sent my mom a big beautiful bouquet of flowers. A lot of you know that last time we had such an issue with the flower company getting my mom flowers on his birthday back in June. So I made sure I called that amazing flower company and had everything figured out for today. So we sent her flowers to just kind of help her through the day, and she really appreciated it. We did like all different red colors since that's her favorite color. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, just because I feel like I just need the night off. It's like, it's 6:15 and I just feel like I really need to like just get my rest. And as soon as I turned the camera off, I started bawling my eyes out. So I know that I just need to take the rest of the night off. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.